Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2009 Honda Rebel 250. This lightweight cruiser just arrived with only 16,888 miles. Beautiful black satin paint scheme. Really nice condition. Little tiny dent in the gas tank where that turn signal bumped it. We got saddlebags, just checked out in service. She is good to go. Come on by and make your lightweight cruiser dreams come true with this gorgeous 2009 Rebel 250. This is just like the one you rode in that rider course, only $27.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com. where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.